Hey! Welcome to the world of information. The Lexus ES 350 features a sleek and sophisticated design with a prominent spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted lines that give it a modern and dynamic appearance. Typically measures around 195 inches in length, 73 inches in width, and 57 inches in height, providing a balanced profile for both interior space and urban maneuverability. Offers various wheel options ranging from 17 to 19 inches, designed to enhance the vehicle's aesthetic and performance. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials such as leather upholstery, wood trim, and soft-touch plastics. It includes options for semi-aniline leather and heated/ventilated front seats. Spacious interior with ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. Ergonomically designed seats with multiple power adjustments for the driver. Equipped with a large infotainment display, up to 12.3 inches, supporting navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. A premium audio system like Mark Levinson is available. Includes ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and high-quality finishes. Advanced features like a head-up display and power rear sunshade add to the luxury experience. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine. Achieves around 22 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway, thanks to features like direct fuel injection and an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission. The 3.5-liter V6 engine produces about 302 horsepower and 267 lb-ft of torque, delivering smooth and responsive power. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for seamless shifts and optimal fuel efficiency. Known for its smooth and refined ride, with a suspension system that absorbs road imperfections effectively. Provides a balanced mix of comfort and agility. Includes drive mode select with Eco, Normal, and Sport modes to tailor the driving experience. Sport mode enhances throttle response and transmission shifts, while Eco mode focuses on maximizing fuel efficiency. The Lexus ES 350 combines elegant exterior styling with a luxurious and comfortable interior, offers commendable fuel efficiency, and delivers a smooth and refined driving performance. The price of the 2024 Lexus ES starts at $43,190 and goes up to $53,480.